The 6th of June, 2023. MakeUp in Paris takes a fresh look at beauty trends. The B2B show is back on the 14th and the 15th of June 2023 at the Carrousel du Louvre in Paris, at a time of growth in all beauty categories. With a significant increase in the number of exhibitors, the event will offer a fresh look at cosmetics trends. No fewer than 12 guest agencies, an innovation contest, a robust program of workshops and conferences, and an ambassador specializing in diversity. For its 2023 edition, MakeUp in Paris will host 150 exhibitors,